If you want to transfer your photos and your videos from iPhone 17 or 17 Pro to a USB device, then you came to the right place. I'm going to show you how you can easily copy and transfer your photos and videos to an external USB drive in just a couple of steps. And this is useful if you're short on storage and you want to clear up some storage space. So let's start by connecting our USB flash drive to our iPhone 17 device. The iPhone has a USB-C port at the bottom, so you will either have to use a USB-C flash drive if you have one, or if you have a regular USB 2.0 flash like I do, then you will need to get a USB-C to USB adapter. You can get one from the Apple Store or other places that sell mobile equipment. I already have an adapter, so I will connect my USB to the adapter itself, and then let's plug it into our iPhone. Let's now open the Files app on our iPhone in order to check if everything is connected, and you should see your USB name pop up under the Locations section. Once everything is connected, we can start transferring our photos, which is pretty easy to do. I'm going to open the photo gallery and then make a selection of the photos and videos which I want to transfer. I'll select around 20 photos and a couple of videos just as an example, and then tap the little Share option that's located at the bottom left corner of our screen. This sharing menu will pop up where our job is to find a button called Save to Files, and this is going to open our Files app. Our job now is to locate the USB flash drive which we had connected. Mine is called Marshall028, and it should be under the Locations. After I open my flash drive, it's a good idea to create a new folder in here in order to keep everything clean and organized. So let's tap the three dots at the top right, then press New Folder, and name this folder whatever you want. I'm going to name it iPhone Photos, and then tap on it to open the folder. All that's left is to click on Save at the top right corner of the screen, which is then going to start copying your photos and videos to the flash drive. But those are essentially the steps of transferring photos and videos from an iPhone 17 to your external USB flash drive. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.